Nobody give them permission to come here. Look when they pass in the back and come.
The experience of the whole life, man. The whole life the experience like that is no more.
Real teen, yeah? Well, don't look on knock down themselves, boy.
No payment, that's all. And you come in here, hide in night and come in here. Alone heart. You hide in and come in.
They said it's just that they have to be here.
Why we have to get papers for we own? Where them papers?
What shots, boy?
Well, you know that we should wait till the 18th. But why them just stop the contract until the 18th and then do the work? That's it. And see what is the outcome. It's simple. Go down to point 14. You had the whole highway to build to point 14. They went to Mon Desir, the gold mine. You're depriving the gold mine for them? You're depriving the people from point at the highway. This is it. Man, they have to be better than that, man.
Why here wait to the 18 or?
I simple.
Why don't we go wait to the 18?
Walk and go down to point 14 meanwhile now.
Yeah.
We blocking highway, we blocking highway. Nobody blocking no highway.
Blocking highway.
I mean
inside. This is private land. Why you look come and damage our project here? How come all they doing that?
they only want to come in.
Advantage.
Peaceful people, you know. We come here to make trouble, you know. We peaceful people.
Really,
We are coming people are just
it's a little fall, you study locking up, you're locking up. Look at me, how we get their hand. Look how they're selling the police selling with big guns and they're selling them with. Tell me, we pay hand with peaceful people.
Das gab mich hallo, das gab neu again.
Yes, is it?
Das gab mich hallo, das gab neu again. Das gab mich hallo again. Have you nice to see?
Too quiet.
Yeah.
Too quiet now.
That is the gun we want. That is the gun. Yeah. Hello guys, that is the gun Lord coming.
Yeah. Come and flood them out. Flood them out. Yes.
They're going through this is an important thing.
They're going in the office. So I don't know what they're going to do.
I mean, it's advantage for you could see yourself. I mean, we're a worker, eh? We just cry. You just know when we see a big thing like this, you just jump in inside. They're waiting to see what will be the outcome of anything. And they have a whole appointment to go through.
And then I go be involved. You understand?
Well, I mean, you see how it is. People had tears here. Look at how we wet up here. You think that we like to get wet and get sick, Pam?
When I leave here, I don't come back tonight. But they send me to pull out the fan. I tell them I'm going home. I didn't come back.
It's real sad. It's real sad. You don't sleep because
I mean, it's just,
when we heard the tractor noise in the backyard today and the wife gave me a call, I was on the road. My heart jumped, boy. She said tree falling down. I mean, I just feel like you lost everything. You lost everything. You have a matter going on, nobody here want to give you a hearing, but them say you should wait. You should wait until the 18th. But why them shouldn't wait until the 18th to try to satisfy people? Though you don't have to satisfy us, but at least make me feel good. And go down to point 14, but you're depriving point 14 people and you're just saying, Koblal Singh group blocking highway, Reroute blocking highway. This is the general statement that fooling people here. You're not blocking no highway. You see what we're blocking? Can't you see what we're blocking? But I have fig trees, ma'am. Why does plant fig and sell, planting and sell to survive? Am I 64 and change? Who employed me? I never had a permanent job. I depend on all these things to work and mind the family. Hustle, they work. I was a hustler. You know how it feel? And you have so much open land, let me say what not have you. But wait until this disputed area complete. Yeah? I mean, it's only sense. You're depriving point people. You have point people waiting and saying that we blocking the highway here. Where is not true? I mean, I know you're a worker and you probably have a little soft heart in you. Whereas the cops and them, like them, had none too, but they had to show it that they don't have none. They have a job to do. What happened yesterday? They come and they rough up this man. They went and they arrested him.
yesterday.
It's so sad to know just for that. We just want understanding. Nobody don't want to understand the right situation. Nobody. It's not that we play Bajon and bully, you know, brother. We are not. You don't see we with a cutlass. You don't see we with no piece of iron self. We don't want them to say that people come to confront people to fight. No. They're just asking a simple manner. I don't know. I never thought I'd live to this age to experience this thing in my old age now. Where you expect to get your house, move, and you can't say nothing because the authorities over you all the time. They're over you. You work all the days of your life and you build something that you feel that you could admire now. All that just going like ice daily. See like how a block of ice just keep melting? This is how your mind keep going down. Ah boy, one day they will come and they will say, okay, you have to move. Sad. Like you have understanding, you know. You must talk to your foreman and them too, ma'am. Won't tell them, boy. The poor people that hurting, why they don't get the bosses and them to do what they have to do? Mr. Chaitu, what do you think?
This should be stopped. They have a lot of work to do from San Fernando to Point 14. Please, hustle up and
Before
do
you
it.
go, Uncle, you really want to leave the job or you're just telling us that? You can't tell your bosses you want to work somewhere else, work on the Point 14 segment.
Yeah, work on that segment.
I mean, you have to live.
Don't leave the job.
You don't leave the job. Tell them you can't work here because there's too much destruction on the side.
Tell them it's too hurtful for the things you just be seeing sometimes.
Alright? We'll be appreciated.
These hungry
if you
people,
could- if
we
you
are
could tell
poor
your
man, we
bosses-
hungry.
Tell your bosses that you don't want to work here because it's blood money they're collecting here. They're destroying communities and people, their houses, their lands, old people, families.